Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. There's also a bell that's beside that button. I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and all that's going to happen is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a new video. When you see it in your inbox, all you have to do is press on the picture and it brings you directly to the video. So it's a really great shortcut. So I recommend that you use the bell. Okay, today is the day that we get to announce the winner of our giveaway. The giveaway on this one was a duplicate product for me that was in my Boxycharm in the month of December. It's called Basic Beauty. It is going to come in the full retail package like we have here. The outside of the package looks exactly like the packaging that's here. That's the back of the actual package, and that's the front of the item here. There is a mirror that runs the length at the top. They have a nice plastic on here that also has the name Basic Beauty. You can see that, and then those are the colors there. I have been enjoying this, so I am so excited that you guys are going to have an opportunity, the winner is, to enjoy this product as well. Like I said, this was a completely, if you watched my unboxing video, the texture of the product is so unique and different. They call it like a wet glow. It's really very hard to even describe, but like I said, I'm really excited that someone is going to be able to enjoy the experience of this as well as I do. So like I said, the company is called Basic Beauty. It's out of New Jersey. Their website is shopbasicbeauty.com. It is made in China. And the first two ingredients are mica and talc. So, but like I said, it's called Wet Glow, and that's the best way to describe it. It feels wet, but then it feels like a powder. The vibrancy of the highlighters is really unique. So really excited that this is going to be going out to this giveaway winner. So thank you, first of all, for everybody. You have been so generous to me on the amount of people that are signing up for the giveaway. So this started up as duplicates, and I didn't know what I was going to do, and then it ended up being a blessing in disguise because I'm able to share with you guys, and you guys are enjoying it. So it's all turned into a win-win. So the winner for the Basic Beauty is Mr. Prod Penguin, PRODPENGUIN. I will be contacting you under the video that is the video that you put your comment under. I will reply to you there. I will tell you in the email where you're going to send your personal information. I'm also have your Instagram name, and I am going to do a direct message, a DM to you in Instagram. So that we'll be able to share some private information, and then I'm going to have you send me that information in an email so that everything matches up. And that's it. It's that simple. So once again, congratulations to Mr. PROD Penguin. I am so excited that this is going to be getting out to you. And like I said, thank you to everybody who has entered. Thank you everybody who has subscribed and has been watching the videos and leaving me comments. This has been, like I said, I've only been at this a few months, and it has been almost a dream come true. I never thought that this quickly I would have this many fantastic connections and people sharing back and forth information. So it's really been a joy for me, and I hope it is for you guys too. So once again, congratulations, and I will see the rest of you in my next video. Bye for now.